So today I am going to talk about the Sunpak 61-inch Ultra 6000PG PlatinumPlus Tripod. So this is a pistol grip tripod here with this ball here. I use this to stabilize my camera when I'm filming the video for my vlog. My previous tripod broke, and that was about a month ago. So I bought myself this one. I heard about it from a friend who is also a filmmaker, and they really like this one. They have this one, and I got a chance to fiddle around with it, and I just was like, I need to get this. This is perfect. I have very shaky hands, and it's really difficult to focus my camera when it's all wobbly. So this solves that problem. It allows me to place my camera on something and not have to worry about, it looking like there's an earthquake going on. I use it every day, basically. I'm always shooting videos, always. I post like 3 times a week, and so having a tripod is really essential for me, especially because I don't like to hold the camera when I'm filming. If I'm sitting in front of something, I don't want to hold it like I'm taking a selfie. I'd rather put it on a tripod and then point it towards me and press record and talk. It is great on the go. So if I am going to shoot outside, it's really easy to just grab and go. You can easily fold it up and just take it with you. It's not so light that it will just fly away in the wind. I feel like the camcorder tripod I had before did that, it would do that. But this is actually just heavy enough so that it won't. And it's also lightweight enough so you can actually carry it around. And as you can see, it's also very easy to set up. It supports up to 11 pounds. So depending on what kind of device you're using and how heavy it is, you can tell whether this is the right tripod for you. It can also expand up to 61 inches. So the legs, they fold out like this, and that locks it down so that it won't slide back in when you stand it up. And it does this you can do this up to 3 parts, so it can expand even further. So that's part of how you expand it. And then there's also a lever here, and I actually removed the trigger thing so you can see it in a bit. But yeah, you can actually make this go up even further so you can elevate your camera. So this right here, just so you can see, I've detached it, and this allows you to move the camera around. It uses a basic standard attachment for any tripod, and you can use it on any type of device as long as it has that ability to attach itself to this. And here is you have this trigger button here. It's a little difficult to press down, but that's good because you want it to lock into place. If it's too easy, then it will just kind of wobble all over the place. It's a good firm grip, but you can still press down on it. The pistol grip here makes it so much easier to angle the camera and just maneuver it so you can get more creative shots. There is a bubble leveler here kind of thing, so you can tell if the surface is even and if your camera is going to be even with the surface it's on. The whole item is just very easy to adjust. There's little knobs you can turn everywhere you go, and you can easily just close it up. And actually the minimum height is 24 inches. So when you're setting it up and you want to know how low you can keep the camera on the tripod, that's what you're going to look for, that height. It comes with a plate that you can attach to your device. I have mine on my camera right now, but it's this little standard plate that you use on most tripods. Most tripods use this, and you can usually attach it to different devices, whether it's your DSLR, your phone, your camcorder. I use this on all of it, so you can easily just transfer that plate and attach each of them to the tripod. I did not receive a case with this. I don't travel with it, so I don't really need a case right now. It's also something I just recently got, so it's not like I really had time to go get a case out anyway. But I think in the summertime, when I'm more, active and I want to go out and film more, like at the park, then I'll definitely want to bring it with me and have a case with me. It's also about protecting it, since it's really nice aluminum material. It's very smooth, and it's black here. It's in great condition. Like I said, I bought it recently, but it still doesn't have many scratches or anything like that. And like I said, I use it every single day. It's very sturdy. It's easy to lock down into place. And the legs are divided into 3 sections, so it makes it easier to expand and customize how tall I want it. Sunpak is a Japanese company. They've been around since 1963. It is a great gift idea for someone who is getting into film and needs a new tripod, or just anyone who appreciates this kind of thing. Even if they're into photography, a tripod is what you need. Thank you so much for watching this video.